Hello everyone, this is Anne from BOGOS. In this video, I'll show you how to display BOGOS offers on product pages built with PageFly. Currently, this integration supports displaying the following BOGOS offers on PageFly product pages: gift slider, gift icon, gift thumbnail, cart message, classic bundle volume discount, or quantity break for merchants using the legacy version. Before we begin, make sure you have both BOGOS and PageFly installed on your Shopify store. Also, don't forget to enable both apps in your Shopify theme. First, set up your offers in the BOGOS app and create your product page in PageFly. Next, open the PageFly app and go to the PageFly Editor. Navigate to third-party elements, click Manage Integrations, search for BOGOS, and click Activate. Once activated, you'll see the BOGOS elements organized into two categories: Upsell and Cross-Sell, and Gifts. Under Upsell and Cross-Sell, simply drag and drop the classic bundle or volume discount widget onto your page. Note, with the latest update, Quantity Break has been replaced by Volume Discount. The Quantity Break widget is now available only for merchants using the legacy version of the BOGOS app. Under Gifts, you can drag and drop the gift slider, gift icon, cart message, and gift thumbnail onto your page. You can also add multiple BOGOS blocks to the same page to display different offers for specific products. Once everything is set up, click Publish and preview your store to see how your BOGOS offers appear on your PageFly product page. And that's it. Thanks for watching.